If you're a first-time home buyer, you might feel like the odds are a bit stacked against you in today's market, but there are resources and programs out there that can help if you just know where to look. And one thing that can make home ownership easier to achieve, that's an FHA loan. They're designed to help you overcome some of the biggest financial hurdles in the home buying process, and that's why so many first-time buyers are using them to make their purchase. So whether you're dreaming of ditching your rent, planting roots, or just want a place that's truly yours, an FHA loan could be the path that gets you there sooner than you think. And that's what we're going to talk about in today's video, and we're getting after it right now. If this is your first time at a channel and you want to keep on top of the real estate market in Richmond, Virginia, and those surrounding counties of Hanover, Henrico, Chesterfield, New Kent, Goochland, and Powhatan, then subscribe right there below. Tap that notifications bell so you can be the first to know about the current market in Richmond, Virginia. So your likes and subscribes, they help me grow the channel, and they're so appreciated. Can't tell you how much I appreciate them. So my goal this year is to get the channel to over 1,000 subscribers, and I need your help to reach that goal. So thanks in advance for your help. So as always, my name is Scott Durnley, and I'm with Joyner Fine Properties. My team and I get calls from folks like you every single day looking for help making their move to the Richmond area, or just simply moving within the Richmond area, and we absolutely love it. So whether you're moving in 9 days, 90 days, heck, even 9 months, give us a call, shoot us a text, send us an email. All that information is linked right there in that description below, so we can help you make a smooth move to Richmond, Virginia. So buying your first home probably doesn't feel that easy right now. While the motivation to buy a home is still there for many people, affordability is a real challenge today. Let's take a look at this first graphic. According to a survey from 1000 Watt, potential first-time buyers say their top 2 concerns are saving enough for their down payment and then making the monthly mortgage payments work at today's home prices and mortgage rates. Now that's where FHA loans can come in. FHA loans help many first-time home buyers overcome these challenges. In fact, according to Intercontinental Exchange, the average first-time buyer using an FHA loan puts down just $16,000. That's a big difference from the $77,000 they're putting down on average with a typical conventional mortgage. So essentially, buyers that use an FHA loan may not have to come up with as much cash up front, but the perks don't stop there. You may also be able to pay less monthly too. That's because a lot of times the mortgage rates on FHA loans can be lower than conventional. Bankrate says, quote, FHA loan rates are competitive with and often slightly lower than rates on conventional loans. So if you're thinking about buying your first place, an FHA loan may be worth exploring. Because of the potential for lower down payment requirements and maybe even lower mortgage rates, it could help you with the 2 most common hurdles that first-time home buyers face today. That's saving enough money up front and affording the monthly payment. Now, a trusted lender can walk you through the details, compare your options, help you figure out what type of loan makes sense in your situation. So good thing is I know a ton of these folks, and I can refer you to one and help you make the right choice. All right, well, thank you for tuning into today's episode. I hope you enjoyed it. Like always, I like to cut through the noise in the real estate market and let folks know what I really think is going on. Linked in the description you see right there below, I have 3 absolutely free gifts for you. The first, there is a free Richmond, Virginia relocation guide. You must like watching videos about the housing market in Richmond, Virginia, or you wouldn't made it this far in this video. But it's also nice to have something that you can flip through, in your spare time. You can click on things, you can learn more about RVA. So it is chocked full of great information, and it's a must download. So gift number 2, that is a free buyer's guide. This guide walks you through the buying process with things like your timeline, setting a budget, how your agent gets paid, creating a wish list, the pre-approval process, all those fun things that happen between contract and closing, and much more. Again, there's just tons of great info in there for you. Now, number 3, we often know when people move, sometimes they have to sell in their current location, so there is a seller's guide for you. Now, this handy dandy resource is very specific on how I do things when I sell homes, but it covers things like prepping your home for sale, again, a general timeline, what agents should be doing to market your home, that is super important, what happens from contract to close, and again, much more. But here's the bottom line. With the right loan and the right guidance, homeownership may be more achievable than you think. Do you want to talk about more options? A trusted lender is there to help, and here's the good news. Like I said before, I've been doing this for over 20 years, and I know some of the best in the business. So if you want to be put in touch with a lender that I know and trust, give me a call, shoot me a text, or send me an email. All of my contact info is linked in that description right there below. And until next time, I hope to show you around town. Take care, folks.